Strip the wire to the appropriate length with wire stripping tool. Insert the heat shrinkable insulation sleeve into the negative conductor, black wire. Connect the negative wire to the terminal and press the bottom of the terminal with pliers. Use a heat gun or flame to heat the insulation sleeve so that it is tightly wrapped around the exposed wire. Connect the installed negative electrode to the car battery negative electrode, or connect to the car bonding point. Open the car engine compartment fuse box and use the tester to locate the car low beam fuse or ACC fuse according to the instructions inside the fuse box lid. Connect the positive conductor, red wire, of the decorative light strip to the low beam or ACC fuse contact, and then insert the fuse back in place. Clean the dust by wiping down the paste location with adhesion promoter. Align the center of the light belt with the center of the mounting position. The light belt can be mounted above or below the hood. Remove the adhesive from the back of the lamp strip and paste the lamp strip evenly to the predetermined position. Complete installation. Please enjoy your cool decorative light strip.